National Broadcasting Company takes pleasure in presenting The Conversation to the most distinguished composer of music.
Louder.
Come on and sing this with me.
We all walk down the road, young and old,
the sun
and the traffic stops. Felt good.
Faces again.
Three birds fly.
Bass makes bass. Use bass for bass.
Missing you, now that you have gone. I was sort of expecting to reappear, but you are gone.
The way to make something beautiful. And to be free in this moment.
Inside, so sad.
I want to see the connection between this part and the next.
Been missing you. I'll always think of you. Missing you. Come on and sing this with me. Gone when the storm breaks. Still be here. Let the sun shine on our faces again. So sad. Time it seems to stand still, but life it must go on. What did you say, pardon?
Be that and don't worry about it.
I bloody well do, yes.
Days with you, I remember that. I remember the truth, that's a fact. Days with you, I remember that. I remember that. Been missing you. Now that you have gone, I was sort of expecting to reappear. Come on and sing this with me. Be here, my friend. The sun shine on inside faces again.
Please, brother, the preacher made a touchdown.
Three birds fly.
Beautiful.
Days with you, I remember that. I remember the truth, that's a fact.